Hey guys and gals, sweet Project Cars here with a really cool trick. Very quick, fast, simple, cheap way to remove wax from your rubber seals. You will not get a better way to do this. This will work on most all rubber seals and or areas like this glass headlight on our Mercedes project. This works great, it's cheap, and it's easy to do, and it's extremely safe. All you do is use your mineral oil and a microfiber towel. You add a little bit of the mineral oil to the cloth, and you just wipe it across the top. Watch this disappear. If you get some stubborn stuff that's been there for years, all you have to do is take your detail brush, go over it like this. Look at the oxidization on that rubber. It doesn't matter how long it's been on there. Then after you're done with that, it looks beautiful, but then you can use your 303 on it if you want. Okay, you can see it down in there. Take your mineral oil. All you do is this. And this has been on there a few days in the sun. So we'll put that directly on our detail brush. Watch this. Gone. That's simple, my friends.